Want a stunning granite look finish with the ease of spray application? With Bahaghari Multicolor Paint, transforming your walls has never been this simple. Let's walk you through the easy steps. A properly prepped surface ensures a long-lasting and flawless finish. Apply 2 coats of primer. If your wall is already painted and in good condition, you may skip this step. Fill your spray gun container with the right amount of Bahaghari paint. Use a high-volume, low-pressure sprayer for the best results. Avoid airless sprayers and rollers, as they won't achieve the right effect. With the right application, your walls will have a realistic granite texture, durable, beautiful, and cost-effective. Choose from a stunning array of colors, each designed to capture the natural beauty of granite. Transform your walls with Bahaghari Multicolor Paint, Granite Look Beauty, made easy.